3690 TRX. Every claim, every 1 minute I received. Here you can see all payment proof. So this website is 100% legit. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am bringing new TRX earning script. You can earn unlimited Tron and get instant withdrawal via Termux. So you don't have need to work on website. So not required website. We will run just a script and earn unlimited TRX. So first of all, I will show you the payment proof. Then I will describe how you can earn from this website. Okay. So here you can see my Faucet Pay account. You can see live withdrawal proof. Okay, here you can see 3690 TRX. Every claim, every 1 minute I received. Here you can see all payment proof. So this website is 100% legit. I can't show you website, just describe how you can earn from script. You don't have need to work on website. So now just you have required a script file link given description. You can directly go from there. Just click on script will be downloaded. After downloading a script, open your any Explorer APK, open. Then go to the download folder where you download your script file. Okay, so here you can see script file in the format. First of all, unzip it. So long press on script file, then click on more. Okay, and click on extract. Okay, now script file is successful. Open the folder, then long press on folder and click on more and click on properties. Then copy full path. Okay, script location copied successfully. Now go back and open Termux. So you don't have need any HTTP canary or website, just run script. Okay, so now if you are a new user using Termux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on my Telegram channel. You can copy from there, or you can DM me on Instagram and also follow my ID. Otherwise, I can't get messages. I don't know send me messages or not. So unfollow. I will get notification and response you as soon as possible and provide you basic commands. So after getting basic command, install all, then continue process. CD space paste location, then enter ls, enter php port.php, then just press enter. Okay, successfully connected to server. So here we have required password link also given description. Directly go from there and copy password and paste your password, then just press enter. Okay, so now put here your Faucet Pay email address on which you create your Faucet Pay account. If you don't have Faucet Pay wallet, link given description, you can create your Faucet Pay wallet account. Then provide here email address, Faucet Pay email address. Payment will be sent on email address. Okay, then just press enter. Okay, now my email edit and Faucet Pay account also edit. So just wait to take process for get withdraw. Okay, so here you can see my account is connected to a script. So just wait for get withdraw. Okay, so here you can see good job, your payment transferred to your Faucet Pay account. So my payment sent in direct Faucet Pay account, which I showed you the proof as well. So if you want to watch more videos like this, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.